Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the toilet lid and seat. Pull up firmly to remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Disconnect the clean water hose. Disconnect all connection cables one by one. Remove the toilet seat lid assembly and place it separately. Prepare the tools listed above. Unscrew the 4 screws on the base of the toilet seat lid assembly. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the rear cover clips. On the side of the cover plate, there are 2 screws. First, remove the decorative pad. There is a screw underneath. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screw. Similarly, on the other side of the cover plate, there is another screw in the same position, which should also be removed. Next, we will replace the inlet solenoid valve and flow meter. First, loosen the fixing screws on the mainboard. After loosening the screws, locate the inlet solenoid valve and flow meter. There are also fixing screws on them. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the bracket slightly to loosen it. Remove the 2 fixing screws of the solenoid valve. Now, the entire component can move freely. Next, detach the hose from the mainboard. Remove the outlet hose from the mainboard. Now, the entire component is free to move. Find the connection cables plugged into the mainboard. There are 3 cables in total. Locate them on the mainboard and unplug them. This is the flow meter signal cable. This is the temperature sensor cable. This is the solenoid valve control cable. After disconnecting all cables, you can remove the inlet solenoid valve and flow meter assembly. Take the new component and first arrange the cables properly. Once the cables are organized, secure the flow meter first. Ensure the cables are placed under the bracket. After arranging the cables, fix the solenoid valve in place. Reconnect the outlet hose to the mainboard. Insert the solenoid valve's overflow tube into the overflow hole under the mainboard. Thread the cables back through the mainboard. Reconnect all the cables. Finally, refasten the mainboard's fixing screws. Once the replacement is complete, reassemble the base and cover, then reinstall it onto the toilet ceramic bowl. Once the base and cover are properly combined, screw in and secure the 4 screws in different positions. Additionally, there is a screw on the left and right sides of the seat. These must also be installed and tightened securely. Connect the battery cable. Connect the diverter valve cable. Make sure the arrows on the cables match. Connect the kick control cable. Connect the pump cable. Reconnect the clean water hose. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.